So our controller stopped working, so we lost the phone across the road, so it was a bit of a health and safety issue. And every time it rained, the phone lines went crackly and we had a lot of interference. So we then decided we wanted to go something that didn't have a lengthy maintenance contract or lots of parts to maintain. So we decided to go for a cloud-based phone system. This phone here we chose to have in our school office because of all the functions it has, and we've also chosen an additional extender panel that goes on the side. And then this phone here is like a ruggedized phone. It's great for people in the premises or facilities or caretaking. And then we chose these phones here for our back office and breakout rooms. Also we've got apps now, so we can move around the building and take calls. And quite often I work from home. So someone can now transfer a call to me at home, which is fantastic.